What's good, epic gamers? Today we're gonna be playing Minecraft VRCHAT. Get your bitches back. Okay, you're here. Okay, and then today we're playing Minecraft and VRCHAT. We're gonna get raped by some faggy named Minderad. He's 50 years old. And my mom. She's a bitch. Alright, gamers, y'all ready? Let's go. Hold on. Trying to make a new name because, like,
I joined you and you took me to a lesbian world. What the fuck?
Bro, I asked them for a threesome, bro, and they ran away from me, so I had to kill them and shoot them up.
in your videos, why are the bleeps so fucking loud?
It's bro, because bro, it's gonna be like one of these.
Oh.
Bro, like.
It is. You fucking.
Bro, what the?
Bro, I don't know about you, but I fucking hate fat.
You're fine.
You
Charlie, run.
I'm a big go-to driver to corner, give me shotguns, shoot me,
Looks so soulless. Bro's been through it. He's stabbing the president.
Duck up here. Up here.
Hold on, wait. Pose.
What a man at?
Yeah, that really was his mugshot.
Do you want to ERP with me?
Don't tell him. That was his mugshot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. What the hell?
Man. Where's the Slippy?
Your hell.
This is how you drink a whole bottle of bourbon and get the whole. Bro, my drink. Benito, come over here. Gaming, come on. You gotta record this. This is You're gonna have to save this one.
Yeah.
Not for the video, just for memories.
Okay.
I'm throwing for the content, bro. I'm throwing for the content.
Alright, lay down. Yep.
Here you go.
Yo, they had the automobile here.
What? Okay, hold on.
Prison escape? Which one?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah?
No, not really.
Is there a problem, Clytus?
God damn it! With me? Oh, God. Oh, wow.
Let's come,
you're
Ichigo.
so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, God damn.
I said his name wrong. That's funny.
Get by his hands. No, yeah, get down. Get by his hands. Benito, stop moving.
Can I aim it down more?
We're gonna get it.
I need to.
What the?
Bro, get your big ass feet out the way.
That's so great. Yeah. He's standing there.
Menacingly. Okay. So let me look at it right now. Alright.
Je pense que comme ça tu vas bien les entendre.
Yeah, my nigga. What the fuck is it, man? Hold on, let me take a picture of myself real quick, son. Hold on, B.
Nice.
Wait, I got an idea.
Let's go give Uncle a big ol' hug.
Oh goddamn, that's so beautiful.
No, you're fat.
Touch it.
No, I'm okay, bitch. Fuck you. You're only like 500 pounds. You're 499.
What you got so here? Stop. Stop.
Next. Holy shit.
You good?
I'm just sorting through my sounds, bro. I didn't know you could see me. Bro.
You gonna make me act up, bro. Man, it doesn't matter if you
Bro, he just like me for real, bro.
I love you.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Why you been like that, nigga?
What the hell?
Watch out, let me raise him up real quick. Let me.
Like, look at my face.
Dude, are you on like cocaine or something?
Come here. Yeah. Just come here. Yeah. Oh, babe. I've been waiting for this. Babe. Come on, babe.
Cover my face in the name of Jesus. Cover my face in the name of Jesus.
Yep, I've been waiting for this. Whoa.
Okay.
Ready to go.